Whether therefore you eat or drink or whatever you do, do all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verses 31. Are you looking for someone to give you a loan? Trust you me, this meat pie will be able to give you that loan because it's so rich. Family, warmest welcome back to the Lovystouch channel. I'm so glad to have you here once again, and I hope you're doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. Now, let's make this delicious flaky Ghanaian meat pie. I have officially named these pies the rich auntie vibes. Yes. It is so rich and so good. Let's go straight into the kitchen and let's start baking. So for our awesome dough, you need all-purpose flour, baking powder, some cold salted butter, and I have here some nutmeg, milk powder, and salt, and I will be adding some onions to just flavor things up. Let's get started. So I'll go ahead and start off by blending my onions, okay, and I'll keep it in the fridge, and then go ahead and add all my dried ingredients in my mixing bowl. Do not worry, all the exact quantity will be listed down below in the description box. All the dry ingredients, so I'm going ahead to introduce the wet ones, and I'll go in first with my salted butter. It should be cold. It will ensure a very flaky meat pie. Yes, we want that rich auntie vibes meat pie, right? So after mixing everything together, you should be able to form the dough into a ball like this, but it's very easy to break it, okay? Then go in with my blended onions, and I will not go in with everything at once. I'll just divide it into two. It's important not to mix it very hard with your hands, you know, trying to form that dough of a bread or any other thing. This, you want it to be as soft as possible. The dough has to be handled very carefully. We do not want the gluten to form just as maybe we're doing the bread, okay? So smooth and gentle. That is it, family. You see, we did not add any form of extra water or milk. All that we did is the onions, okay, the blended onions. It's enough, and the perfect texture that you need your dough to be is this one. You just keep it in the fridge for later, okay? So we'll go ahead and prepare our fillings, okay? So you can use any form of veggies that you prefer, and this time around I'll just put everything in the, you know, my chopper, and it chopped it perfectly. There you have it. We fixed it real nice, right? Oh yeah, dear, yeah, fine. So you go ahead and just shape it into this rectangular form. It makes the cutting really very easy. Teas are ready to go in the oven just to have that finishing touch. Few ones seems a little broken, but trust me, it's so yummy. Okay, yumminess overdose. So I set in the oven for 165 degrees for 15 minutes, and they were so good to go. Look at these, so yum. Oh my goodness, I just wish you were here. I would have dashed you 3 pies. Trust me, they are so good. Look at that flakiness. Trust me, family, these pie will take you to the la 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 land. They're so good. Your Sobolo or your Coca-Cola, Malta Guinness, any drink that you have will push it down really well. Okay, thank you so much, family, for watching. And if you did enjoy this recipe, please be sure to give me a like and comment below and let me know what you think about the recipe. Okay, just in case you are watching me for the first time, hello darling, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. I love to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home, and I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos. So please come on board, subscribe, and let's have fun sharing ideas together. I do want to thank you once again for watching, and I will see you again in my next one. Have a blessed day, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you.